crypto legends, let me know if you can hear me, if you can hear the music, and let me know how you're doing in the comment section. Deborah, how are you doing? Hey Andy, have been waiting for your TA on Ethereum. Okay, well, if you watched my video this morning, I was talking about Ethereum hitting major resistance. If you remember from yesterday's video, we were talking about a potential bounce on the $2,400 range. Okay, if we broke down, we were going to go to the $2,200, but we had a massive bounce till the up to the $2,900 as expected. Okay, and that we were going to get major rejection, and we have done. Also today we were talking about these huge bearish divergence, okay, on the 1 hourly chart. So it was very likely to get a correction from here, guys. If you watched today's video, this was also posted on our Twitter account, guys. So make sure to check it out here. We've got 467 likes here on the Bitcoin Census Twitter. The link is in the description, guys, if you're not signed up to Twitter. Okay, this was also we mentioned this on Bitcoin. Okay, that we had these huge bearish divergence. Okay, so this is a bullish pattern, but remember, only if we break the neckline and we had this bullish divergence. Okay, so I do give some signals on the Twitter account, so make sure to sign up on Twitter. The link is in the description. Hello guys, how are you doing? Richard, hello, can you please look at Solana? Yes, we'll take a look at Solana, Richard. Hi Rajesh, Z-Snake, hey boy, what's good? How are you doing? Z-Snake, Tutted, hello. Antonio, good morning from Canada, good morning. Nick, hello. Archie, what's up, legend? Archie, you are the legend. How are you doing? I'm happy you are online. Totid, I'm happy you came over. All right, guys, today we were talking about this inverse shoulder head and shoulder on my video this morning, and it was very likely to get a rejection here because of these bearish divergence. Okay, when the RSI goes down while the price goes up, it is very likely that we are going to correct because the bulls are losing steam. Okay, so now we've got this correction. Let's see if this is going to hold, or maybe we are going to come down as low as 36,700. Okay, where I have the right shoulder here. I don't think we will come that low. I'm expecting here for Bitcoin just a little correction and then coming to the upside, okay, to the neckline. Let's see what happens, guys. Right, let's take a quick look at Solana. I've got someone in the comment section that wants to take a look at Solana, so let's take a look at Solana. BTC broke rising wedge. BTC is going to 32k. Well, let's take a look. I guess you are talking about this rising wedge over here. So yes, potentially, yes sir. What WatchTech in the comment section, you know. Also this rising wedge, it hasn't got hardly any volume. Okay, if we take a look at the 5-minute chart, there is some volume. Okay, don't get me wrong, there is a little bit of volume, so this might play out. Absolutely correct. I did see this, but I forgot to mention in my video. Okay, we can see a clear rising wedge. Also we got this inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern, okay, inside this rising wedge, and it looks like the bears are starting to gain control here. So we have broken out, not with a huge amount of volume. We are going to see if this breakout is going to be valid. How? Well, by having a retest here as resistance from the support of the rising wedge, and if we manage to break the lows here, then we might be placing a live trade here, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. 67 watching, 9 likes, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto, guys. Bonaventure, good afternoon. You are amazing. Thank you very much. You are amazing for coming around and commenting in the comment section. Bonaventure. Pfizer, hi, I'm interested in your Livermore market cap theory. Can you please dive deeper about that? Because if we see market capped, I think we can predict the downside potential. I think, what are you talking? I was talking about that yesterday, about the accumulation cylinder from Livermore. Let's, I guess you are talking about the accumulation here of Livermore. Let's, 1 second, and I'll try and get this over here. Sorry, guys. Was this for Bitcoin Cash, or was this for the total crypto market cap, Pfizer? Because I've got 2 accumulation cylinders from Livermore for the total crypto market cap and for Bitcoin Cash, which has played out for Ethereum very, very nicely. Hello from Australia, Tom. We'll be taking a look at the Livermore accumulation cylinder, okay, shortly. Hi, Yang. Hi, Travel Show. Chris, hello. What is good entry for ADA? Well, we'll be taking a look at ADA also today. We're going to take a look at Solana and ADA. Okay, they're the 2 ones, okay, mentioned in the comment section. Guys, if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt margin trading platform. This is my favorite trading platform for day trading, okay? I am doing a little bit more swing trading at the moment. So if you want to take advantage of this insane bonus, make sure to click the link in the description. We've got a 50% in addition of what you deposit if you use Bitcoin Census 50, okay? You put the promotion code in here and you get 50% in addition, okay? If you deposit $10,000, you're getting $5,000 on top of that for your margin, okay? You cannot withdraw this bonus, but you can add it for your margin, okay? So you can make bigger positions. So make sure to check out the bonus. It is in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. Right, it looks like Ethereum is going to come down, also Bitcoin. So Ethereum is getting a little bounce here from the support area. Now let's take a look at Solana, okay, because Solana, let's take a look at Solana right over here on this chart. Sol USD, I got someone in the comment section asking for Solana. We're having a massive recovery for Solana, like most of the cryptos. Going to the 4-hourly chart. And yes, we can see that we have major resistance right over here. We are just barely staying above it, okay? As you can see, it's been major resistance in the past here. This was in April. We managed to stay above it here, creating this channel. So managed to stay above this resistance around the $32, $34. And as you can see, it acted, let me just go to the 1-hourly chart here. So if we stay above this area, which we are just managing just about, okay, there is a little bit of volatility. That's why I'm going to put the orange square box a little bit wider. But pay attention, because it does look like that we are creating an ascending wedge here for Solana also, so we have to be very, very careful. It's acted as major support here on the 1-hourly chart. As you can see, this is the $34. We are getting managing to getting above the $33-$34. As you can see, we're just at about 33.93. So what we need to pay attention now here for Solana is that it looks like that we are creating like a kind of ascending wedge, okay? We are at overbought territory, as you can see on the RSI. So it is possible that we have a major correction, okay? Solana also potentially forming an ascending wedge right over here, guys. You know, if we count this wick and these higher lows, yeah, potentially we are. So we need to pay attention here on the resistance here of this ascending wedge, okay, and the support. Or depending, if we break to the downside for Solana, we might be coming to retest the $20, okay, which is the low from the ascending wedge. If we manage to break the resistance here, okay, well, the next resistance point here would be this one right over there. Okay, if I extend this, it's acted as major resistance and support in the past, which is the $40. The measured move is getting the width here of the ascending wedge, the back, okay? This is how you get the measured move from a wedge. So from the breakout, you know, potentially a retest to 47.50 $50, $48 approximately. This is not going to be very, very fast. This is not going to be in one day. It might take a few days or a couple of weeks, okay, all depending on the price action. If we break down, usually it is the bottom of the wedge. If we break up, it is going to be about the $48. Major resistance though to break here at $40. Okay, round psychological number. As you can see, in the past it has acted as major resistance and major support. Okay, this is what I got for Solana. Let's take a look at ADA, guys, because I got someone in the comment section asking for ADA against the US dollar here from Binance. Let me go through the comment section. Mike, can you look at BTT, brother? Yes, I'll be taking a look at BTT after ADA. Pfizer out last big crash happened when the market cap hit the tube resistance. The tube support, you mean, I think, for is it Pfizer? Are you talking about the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, or are you potentially talking about Bitcoin Cash? Mike, yes, I'll be taking a look at BTT. Hi from Australia, Tom. Rochi Dave, cheers, buddy. You're welcome. Is 29k BTC still on the cards? Well, yes, we can potentially see 29k for Bitcoin, especially now. It looks like that we are breaking from this ascending wedge. Okay, we were talking. Let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart, guys, because we did mention the bearish divergence. Okay, many analysts and YouTubers talking about this inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern. I've been talking about it very, very much because I am a Bitcoin bull. All bullish patterns, they are welcome, but you know, we got to be realistic. Okay, there is an ascending wedge and there is huge bearish divergence. Okay, so a correction here is very, very likely. Let's see if we get supported nicely here. We'll be checking some different support levels. But yes, 29k here. I got a question from, who is it here in the comment section? Rochi. 29k is very, very possible because it does look like that we are bottoming out here. We're creating a double bottom. But what professional traders like to do, the big institutions with big money, they will potentially bring the price down to bring the last wick below this area, around about the 29k levels, and then go to the upside, because a lot of people are thinking that this is the bottom. A lot of long leverage trades here, and then we have the last wick to liquidate the people out and then continue to the upside. This is very, very possible. I've seen this many, many times. It is just like over here for the Wyckoff distribution phase. Potentially a lot of people, going short here. And these last wicks to the upside, one there, okay? And then if you go here to the all-time high, there's another one here. This is, the last wick always gets you out of the market. Maybe potentially a lot of people leverage shorting here, and then we get these candles going to the upside to liquidate people. So this is very, very possible, guys. When you think the bottom in it is in, you might have the last wick coming down and then continuing to the upside, potentially down here to the 29k levels. Very, very possible. Rochi. Mioti Hybro took profit in ETH at 2,895. As you told in your video 2 hours ago, ETH might go to 2,300. Is it still playing? Well, yes, exactly. Very much possible, but okay, it is looking pretty strong. We have broken out from this ascending wedge for Bitcoin, as you can see here. Not too much volume. We are looking now for a bounce of the resistance point here of the support of the ascending wedge. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. We will see it clearly. Okay, so we have broken out, as you can see over here. Are we going to get supported of the at the 38,800, 38,500? There is a little bit of volume, but it looks like there is buying pressure. Let's go to the 5-minute. Whoop, whoop, there is buying pressure. So now what we need to see is if we get a bounce here from the support level, come back down, break this level, then it's going to be lurking. We might have a quick drop here, guys, but we might get back into the wedge. Okay, it is also playing also Ethereum on the 1 hourly chart. We haven't broken out from the wedge, so it's looking pretty strong. It's still looking strong here for Ethereum. There's no need to come down to the $2,200, $2,300 levels. Okay. Also remember, if we break the wedge, we'll be getting supported at the $2,400 levels. Okay, 450 potentially. This is where we have had major resistance right over here, and like I mentioned yesterday, you know, very likely we might be getting a bounce just underneath the $2,400 range. We actually managed to, you know, get a nice bounce from here. So if we break the wedge, we'll be getting some type of rejection. We won't break easily the 2,400. Okay, but you know, bearish divergence still in play, guys, as you can see here. Price going up, RSI going down. Not broken out from this ascending wedge. So, you know, we still can break to the upside. We're just about to get to the very end. The very end is today at about 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock Central European time. So just a few hours till the very end here of this major resistance and the end of the wedge. So we are looking for a move very soon in the next couple of hours. Guys, if you are interested in trading, you know, PrimeXbt has got one of the best bonuses available now. 50% in addition of what you deposit by using my link in the description. If you use Bitcoin Sensors 50 as the promotion code, you just need to log in, go here to margin trading, go to your account and put Bitcoin Sensors 50 here. You'll be getting 50% on top of what you deposit. You deposit $5,000, you're getting $2,500 on top of that to trade with. You cannot withdraw the bonus, but you will be able to withdraw all of the profits made with the bonus. Okay, guys. And if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section of the videos. Okay, now not in the comment section of the live because it's going very crazy. And if you haven't seen, if you don't know how to trade on PrimeXbt, I got an insane tutorial, okay, which is in the description. In the tutorial section, I've got PrimeXbt, I've got Bybit, I've got Judex. So the PrimeXbt one is under there, okay. About 40-minute tutorial. There's no one on YouTube giving such a large tutorial on PrimeXbt. So check it out, guys. BTC going down, yes. AS travel show, let's view Matic. Okay, yes. Okay, guys, let's go and see Matic. Also, we are going to take a look at ADA, which we haven't gone through yet. 1 second, just let me go through the comment section, guys. MIOT, I've just answered you. Bonaventure, what is the best price to put in a short on Ethereum because it's breaking down? Well, this is what, no, it's not breaking down from this. We are not breaking down from this ascending wedge, guys. So stay cautious here. Everybody wants to rush in a trade. You do not rush into trades. You want confirmation. You want volume. You want breakout. You want pullbacks to see if the other side has got strength with volume. So a good way, look how this candle, okay, on the 15-minute chart is bigger. It's bigger. There's more buying pressure inside of this wedge. What we want to see is a candle breaking out, good amount of volume, having a retest and looking at the volume here from the retracement to see if the bulls have got any strength at all. Once we break the low from the breakout, then guys, we could have a severe drop here for Ethereum. This is the point where I usually enter a trade, and this is usually about 70-80%. You know, of the times it is a profitable trade. Okay, usually the measured move is all the way to the bottom of the wedge. In this case, it would be the $2,100 range. Okay, but there is support, you know, from the breakout. You got to be very cautious because a lot of support, we might be getting some bounces. Okay, let's take a look at ADA. Got someone in the comment section that wants me to look at ADA quickly. I did mention that ADA, it was going to be looking incredibly bullish if we stay above the $1.55 on yesterday's live stream. Look how we managed to stay above, had a massive bounce. Why the $1.55? Because it's been such an important resistance in the past. Okay, right over here. We did a massive trade here a couple of weeks back once we broke, this is on the 7th, 8th of May. This was traded live on the channel, guys. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash up the like button, because I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto, totally free, my opinion, and then, helping you guys out. We did have this trade. I did show you this trade on one of my videos here on ADA a few weeks back, and I was talking about if ADA stays above $1.55, it's going to be looking very, very bullish, because it's been major resistance right over here. Okay, a lot of accumulation, ascending triangle right over here. So this is a lot of buying pressure. Every time we have higher lows, a lot of buying pressure right over here. We had this fake out. Okay, this was fine. Then we went straight back in. Once we broke the resistance, we went all the way up to $2.50 approximately for ADA. I entered a trade at $1.55, exited at $2.05, and this was shown on one of the videos on the channel. This was traded on Bybit. Bybit has also got a great bonus, guys. If you want to use it, the link is in the description. You can trade ADA on Bybit. So now, what can we expect for ADA? Well, obviously we've had this massive wick. Okay, this was the 19th of May. All the FUD that was coming out of the market, all the cryptos were crashing. Clear double bottom here for ADA. Let's go to the 1 hourly chart to see if we are forming some kind of bullish pattern. We could potentially say here for ADA that we have created an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, right over here, as you can see, we have this consolidation, then the head, another consolidation being the head, the right shoulder, sorry. Clear, see a major resistance point just at the $1.60, guys. So this is incredible to trade, in my opinion. As you can see, we've broken out nicely. Not a huge amount of volume, but we have to stay cautious because there's no volume at all. We are coming from a huge downtrend. So the trend is down here on the 1 hourly chart, as you can see, and we might be having a retracement and coming back down. But what can we expect? Well, is this an ascending wedge? There is no volume to the upside, so we have to be very, very cautious. Is this an ascending wedge? No, potentially yes, an ascending wedge. We need to be very, very careful with this because we have broken out from this inverse shoulder and shoulder pattern, in my opinion. Okay, we can clearly see a consolidation here. Left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder consolidation right over there. Clearly an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern hitting major resistance, which is the $1.60 area. Okay, several times we have broken out of it. So, ideally we are getting a bounce here from the support area of this ascending wedge. If we break the wedge, you could risk this. The measured move is getting the head all the way to the resistance from the breakout. We should be coming to higher levels here for ADA. $2.05 conservative, $2 to be conservative, right over there. This should be the target. Okay. Are you late for this trade? Well, it's already, you could actually trade this. I would like to see a little bit more volume, if you want my opinion. Ascending wedge, also a little bit of a bearish pattern. No bullish, no bearish divergence here. As you can see, the RSI is going up while the price is going up. Also, we're just having a little retracement here. So potentially we could go to the overbought area again. Okay, having a massive pump here for ADA. Looking bullish on the 15-minute chart, but we are in this retracement of this downtrend. If we go to the 4 hourly chart. Okay, we get the Fibonacci retracement. We are potentially hitting, we're between the 50 and the 62% on the Fibonacci retracement. All depending if we are going to have a V-shaped recovery here, guys. But yeah, very difficult this one, very difficult for ADA because we have a bullish pattern broken out, not with too much volume inside a bearish pattern at the moment. So this is up to you. You know, I usually trade something that looks really good, and I'm pretty sure the ADA is looking a little bit risky to place a long, but we should be coming to the $2 range because of this technical here, because of the inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern. All right, guys, let's take a look at XRP. I got someone looking wants me to take a look at XRP. Let's take a look at XRP USD. XRP USD. Very, very similar here. We got some bearish divergence here, so expect a correction. The price, not too much, is going up. RSI is going down on the 1 hourly chart. Are we making an ascending wedge? Well, it does kind of look like it here. Not the most beautiful ascending wedge. You know, it's very hard to connect here, these higher lows and these and the higher highs. Yeah, potentially a double top kind of formation right over here. So we got this major support level at the 90 cent. If we break the 90 cent to the downside, it is going to be looking bearish. Okay, the potential measured move, if we see this as an M pattern, a double top, you know, from the breakout, we could potentially come back down and retest this low here at about the 70 cent for XRP. But for the moment, it's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad at all. Only the bearish divergence. So the most likely scenario here would be having a correction down to the 90 cent. We are currently at $1 at the moment. What else for XRP? It's not the most beautiful, I wouldn't say this is an ascending wedge because it's not too, you know, I can't connect very well the higher lows. Potentially this, yes, kind of not the best. More than a ascending wedge, sorry, I would see it more as an inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern here. If we manage to break this neckline, guys, it is very, very likely we'll be having a decent pump here for XRP, you know. And it actually coincidence with this level here, this resistance from this huge ascending triangle that broke to the downside, guys. This is an XRP trade that I got stopped out, okay? I placed a long right over here. And I have some rules, and I you know, I didn't do it properly because I was looking for a breakout, and then the breakout of the breakout, I had my stop loss here, and I got stopped out on this XRP trade just when we had the, you know, the 19th of May crash. And I was doing pretty well. I was having several good weeks on my trading, and I got stopped out on this one, which is absolutely fine. So this is what we can expect for XRP. If we manage to break this neckline, it does look like a little dodgy inverse shoulder head and shoulder, but it's still pretty valid. Okay, and the next stop, as you can see, the breakout measured move would be hitting this major resistance, okay, which is the support of this symmetrical triangle. This makes a lot of sense. Okay, we break this neckline, very likely we are getting some rejection here. Okay, this is about the $1.37, $1.35 to be conservative. If not, we'll be coming back down, retesting the 90 cent for XRP. Bearish scenario here, double top. If we break 90 cent, we'll be coming back down, retest here at 70 cent approximately. This is the price action. There is bearish divergence, so be careful. It is looking a little bit bearish, more bearish than bullish. Right. Comment section, Pfizer. For alt market cap, please take a look that our last crash happened after we hit the top part of the tube. After that, we crashed heavily. Thanks. Yes, let's take a look at the total crypto market cap, guys, because I'm expecting something really, really big in the next coming months, and I'm going to show you now why. Let's go to the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. Right, we don't need any RSI or anything here, obviously. And let's go to the auto logarithmic chart. Let's zoom out here. Okay. Right, this is what we got. I got Pfizer asking for me for this, and yeah, what I can see here, you know, obviously if I connect, you know, this consolidation phase right over here with this support level, this does look like an ascending, you know, cylinder. We have potentially, obviously you wouldn't count this huge volatility because this is pure market manipulation. This is not expected in the chart, especially if we break out over here. But as you can see, we came straight back in. So what can I see here? Well, I was looking at this as Livermore accumulation cylinder. Right over here, let me just find this for you guys. I've got the picture here somewhere. This over here. Okay, so if I get the charts in and show this to you right over here. Whoops, sorry guys. Right, Pfizer, I think you talking about this. Okay, I think we hit number 6 here, and this drop has been number 7, as you can see here on the accumulation phase of Livermore. Okay, accumulation cylinder. If we are in the middle of the bull market, okay, like expected, you know, there's a lot of more trillions of dollars to come into the market. I think we are just halfway through. Looking also at historical data and, you know, data that's coming today, we are not finished here with this bull run. So by looking at this, I can see that we are in this accumulation cylinder, and we just hit in number 7. Obviously we've wicked below it. Okay, that is fine. This is just volatility. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, nothing is perfect in trading, especially in crypto trading where the volatility is crazy. We wick up and out different support and resistance area. That's why the boxes, we need to do them a little bit wider. So yes, the number 7 would be down over here. And I think we are looking, you know, for trillions of dollars coming into the market, potentially going to 3-4 trillion. Okay, this is the market cap of altcoins. If we counted Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin could go easily to about 3 trillion approximately. If we go to 3 trillion, well, this is over $100,000 of a Bitcoin, be $150,000-$200,000. If this is the case, so a few trillion for Bitcoin, and also about 3-4 trillion, potentially up to 5. You know, this has been super aggressive, but conservative, 3 trillion. So we just about hit 1.5 trillion. I think we could double that here by the end of the cycle, potentially 4 trillion. Okay, and then obviously the 4 trillion would be the number 9 and the number 10. Okay, between 3 and 4 trillion, number 9, number 10 here on the accumulations after the accumulation cylinder. Okay, the explosive parabolic run would be to the 3-4 trillion. 3 trillion to be conservative, 5 trillion to be aggressive. So I would say about 4 trillion. But yeah, I think we are number 7. Now we're just having this reaccumulation phase. You know, we might be weeks around this area. Also, we could go below it, drop a little bit here, and then, you know, continue to the upside, you know, in between August, September, and October. So this could potentially, you know, if we zoom out here, and yeah, this could, you know, easily be here for several weeks, and then reaccumulation phase, and then it's off to the races, guys, in between 3-4 trillion before the end of the year, potentially September, October, November. I do think there is going to be some crazy moves here for cryptocurrency just yet. This is my opinion. Obviously, we could crash from here, and this is the start of the bear market, guys. This is just my opinion. XRP, also a potential trade. Well, if we've just taken a look at XRP US dollar. This is for Totides. Yeah, the potential trade, we've just gone through XRP. Potential trade is inverse shoulder, head and shoulder, and to the downside, you know, potential double top. If we break the 90 cents, we could come to 70 cents approximately. Let's take a look at Matic. I got someone Travel Show wants me to take a look at Matic, so let's take a look at Matic USD. Guys, if you are new here, 244 watching at the moment, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe if you are new here. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin, crypto. I do live streams also. I connect with the community. I show you my trades also in some videos, and you know, I'm really transparent, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, okay? Also, guys, make sure to check out the Bitcoin Census website, okay? We've got great articles, news, exchange reviews, okay? Also, so you can see where the best bonus is available on the different exchanges. And also we can see the fees, you know, which exchange has the best fee condition, okay? So make sure to check it out. There's a link in the description. Also, make sure to go onto the Twitter account. We post technical analysis and articles here. So yeah, sign up to follow us on Twitter also, guys. The link is in the description. Right, let's take a look at Matic. We were with Matic. And guys, smash up the like button. 88 likes and 275 watching right now. Smash up the like button for the algorithm. Help me out here. Matic. Okay, let's take a look at Matic. Matic, right over here. Matic on Binance. Well, guys, yesterday we were talking about Matic. Who remembers me talking about Matic yesterday? Let's get the volume here. I don't know why I haven't got the volume. Right over here, we were expecting this. Yesterday, we were talking about Matic. We were above the $1.50, which has been major support. Okay. And we managed to stay above it. And I was saying, guys, this is looking incredibly bullish for Matic. Look, we already hit, I haven't been looking at Matic since yesterday, but we hit the $2.40. I think the target here, we were talking about this. This was already on the chart. And this is a potential bull flag, okay? I think when I did this for Matic, correct me if I'm wrong, we were just about here in the bull flag. And I was saying, guys, this is looking like a bull flag. Look at the volume here from the buying pressure. And look inside the flag. We've got this volume over here disappearing. Look how much buying pressure, okay? Volume going up here in this uptrend. And then when we consolidate and we have the volume coming down, I'm saying, guys, this is great for a long opportunity. If we break the resistance, very, very likely we'll be going, you know, above the $2.40. I think the measured move here is, you know, looking this as a pull into the flag, okay? And from the breakout, hang on a second. Yeah, guys, we could go a little bit higher even here for Matic, but we basically almost reached the target here from this bull flag. This was mentioned yesterday in the live stream. We had this massive pull, the bull flag, and look, this is, you know, simple and easy. The volume, you look at these candlesticks coming, you know, having this massive pump. The consolidation, now we are waiting for the bears to see what's going to happen. Bears don't appear, no volume at all. The bears are gone. So very likely, if we break the resistance, boom, explosive move. This is a great, great trading opportunity. This was. I obviously didn't trade it because I do a couple of trades a week. You know, I'm not, I am full-time trading, also full-time on YouTube, but I don't do, you know, 5 trades a day. I do 1, 2 trades or 3 a week. You know, and I get into the really good ones. You know, I use some not decent leverage, maybe 5x, 10x. I don't usually use more than 10x leverage. It is super dangerous. I use a 4, 5x leverage. You know, put a few $1,000s, and then, you know, I got my wage for the month. It is fine to do $5,000, $10,000, you know, a month. That is more than plenty. I don't do hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. I am not, you know, one of these super big traders. Eva Silvana, Andy, always make time for us. Thank you, dear. Can you look on Matic? Yes, well, Matic, Eva, this is what we got for Matic. You know, we were talking about this yesterday. I'm not sure. I remember you were yesterday here on the live stream, and we were talking about this bull flag, volume going up here with the price going up, volume going down with the price coming down here. You know, the bears were losing steam for Matic, and we broke resistance. We almost met the target. Great to take some profits right over here. You can trade Matic on Binance Futures. If you're not got a Binance account, make sure to use the link in the description. You save 10% in fees by using my link in the description for Binance Futures, okay? So yes, Silvana, yes, this is what I got for Matic. You know, what else can we expect? I'm expecting, you know, a retest of all-time high here for Matic. This is a clear sign, in my opinion, that the bull run hasn't ended. When we got Matic, which is a great project for Ethereum, is the layer 2 scaling solution. Look at this. If we entered a bear market after a massive crash, we usually don't go above then, you know, 60-70%. You know, we almost had it, you know what, from here we've definitely gone above the 62% of the Fibonacci retracement, okay, from this fall. Yeah, we already, you know, staying above the 78%, so an 80% retracement from the drop. If we manage to break the high here for Matic, sorry. Yeah, guys, this is not the bear market just yet. If we do this on one of the altcoins of the cryptocurrency space, forget about the bear market, guys. This is looking incredibly bullish. One of the strongest projects out there, strongest altcoins, Matic network. How can you enter a bear market when you're just about to break the all-time high? No, guys. This is a clear, you know, sign that we're not in a bear market. If an altcoin is just about to break the all-time high that it's had, you know, after the major drop, you know, the massive FUD, guys, this is not the start of a bear market. Yes, we can go lower. Don't get me wrong here, and I could be wrong, but this is my opinion. Please check out Chainlink. I'm going to check out Chainlink here for M. Pumelelo. My God, these names. I was going to put your name now here. Chainlink, Link USD. Guys, 303 watching now. Massive thank you for coming and tuning in, guys. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and other cryptos. I do lots of live streams also. I connect with the community. So yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe. Smash up the like button. 300 watching right now. Smash up the like button, guys. Let's get up to 300 likes. That'll be absolutely amazing. Right, Chainlink. Well, Chainlink, I've got 20% of my portfolio is Chainlink, okay? So I'm extremely bullish on Chainlink. Chainlink is a mid-long-term hold, okay? I might not even sell, you know, at the end of this cycle. Potentially the price of Chainlink is going to go to $150 to be conservative, in my opinion. But yeah, Chainlink was in this massive ascending wedge formation also, as you can see right here. So Chainlink is looking, you know, all right. It's looking good. We're having a decent bounce. Let's take a look here on the RSI to see, you know, to see if we have any bearish divergence on the 4-hourly chart or the 1-hourly chart here on the short term. Let's take a look at the short term analysis. I'm bullish on Chainlink for the mid-long term, guys. Chainlink has, you know, it's been the best performer, you know, of 2019 and 2020. Well, I'm not sure for 2020, but I think it was 2019. You know, it's been the best perform, one of the best performers anyway of altcoins. So now, what can we expect for Chainlink? Let's just have a quick look here at the RSI. Overbought territory here for Chainlink on the 1-hourly chart, but yeah, Chainlink's looking really bullish, getting a massive recovery. Obviously we did have this bounce because most of the altcoins, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, were getting these bullish divergence. right over here. So the RSI going up and the price going extremely low. And what happens when the price goes down and the RSI goes up? Well, this, is very, very likely we will get a bounce here for the price. And this is what happened. So now we are at the overbought territory on the RSI here. So, yeah, we can expect a little retracement here for Link. Are we forming an ascending wedge here for Chainlink? Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Is this an ascending wedge for Chainlink? Yeah, potentially this is going to be an ascending wedge formation for Chainlink. So we are getting tighter and tighter. This should break out, before the end of today. Now we are hitting major resistance for Chainlink, which is the $33 approximately, right over here. So yeah, we might be also creating, this is happening also for Ethereum, that we have this major resistance point here for Chainlink, which is the $33 approximately. We can see this volatility hitting this this resistance point at 32.33. Now we've had this massive drop. Now we're coming back up and retesting it. So, and we are in this ascending wedge. So if we do not manage to get above the $33 with a decent amount of volume, we might be coming, lower here and potentially creating an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is very, very likely because we are in an ascending wedge, which is bearish. We are at all-time high, at overbought territory on the RSI. We're just getting a little bit of a correction right now and getting a nice bounce. So if you ask me, I think we are going to create like a right shoulder here. A little bit of sideways action. We could potentially break out from here to the upside, don't get me wrong. But yeah, then we are going to hit this resistance point, which is, the support level from this huge ascending wedge. And very, very important to break above this support. This is the logarithmic chart for Chainlink. If we get a rejection here from this support level, from this resistance here of this ascending wedge, we need to get above here, get back in, then it's going to be looking very, very bullish. We'll be taking a look at Chainlink in the next coming days and weeks. Okay, so don't worry about this. But yeah, if you ask me now, bearish in the short term for Chainlink, just because of this ascending wedge, and we are hitting major resistance. If we break the resistance, yeah, we can come as high as, $40 to retest the resistance, the support over the ascending wedge that we just talked about. Right, BTT, Mike, I haven't forgotten about you. BTT, right, let's take a look at BTT. USD. BTT USD, right, is it on Bittrex? Is it on Bittrex that we've seen it before? No. Potentially on Bitfinex. Well, BTT USD just having a major correction now. What can we expect in the short term? Where is the next major resistance? Well, we are creating a resistance right over here because it seems that we can't get above the 0.0046 levels for BTT. This is Bittorrent, right? I remember downloading stuff on Bittorrent years ago, early 2000s. Bittorrent. I guess I'm not sure what the cryptocurrency is used for, but maybe it is for downloading on this. I remember Bittorrent, where you used to download movies and music. Yeah, we need to get above this resistance point, 46 cents. Okay, for BTT. We also had some bullish divergence here. We had the massive bounce. Most of the cryptos have had the same thing. RSI going up, the price going down. Oh no, we haven't actually, because we did have a massive wick here. We actually went below. So no bullish divergence on BTT. Most important is getting above the 0.0047, I would say, to be conservative here. And it, you know, we can potentially see also an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. We just need to see if we are going to form the right shoulder and then break this resistance eventually in the coming days. But if we don't, you know, it could be looking a little bit messy here. Let's see what price action we're going to have in the next coming days for BTT. Right, let's take a look at some other. What about hot and 1 inch? 1986. Let's take a look at hot and 1 inch. Okay. Right, I got the comment section going a little crazy at the moment. So guys, be patient. I've just taken a look at Solana. We'll take a look at Solana again. Let's take a quick look at hot USD. Hot USD tether. Right. Are we hitting major resistance also for hot, just above the 1 cent round number? Very hard to get above this level, it seems like. So this is not a double bottom scenario because it just, you know, this bottom right over here didn't come in retest. So it's just a round bottom. Overbought territory here on the 4-hourly chart, extreme overbought. So yeah, we could see, you know, not looking bullish. We are hitting major resistance. Very, very likely we will be getting rejection here. It's been massive support here for several days. Getting massive rejection. The 1 cent, very, very hard. If we manage to break, it is going to be looking very, very bullish for hot here. Hot US dollar. Okay, guys. XRP and XLM. We've taken a look at XRP. We'll take a look at XRP again during the stream. Now, we've taken a look at Chainlink, guys. Also, I got a lot of people asking for the same cryptos. I'm not sure if they're newcomers or not. I will be activating Super Chat very, very soon because the comment section is going really, really crazy, guys. I want to try and go through all the comments, guys, but, you know, if you repeat yourself a lot, you know, it's crazy. I can't go through the comments like this. It is insane. I'll be activating Super Chat very, very soon. Solana, we've taken a look at Solana. Shiba Inu coin tackle. Right, just for fun, we're going to take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, I'm not Shiba USD. Shiba Inu USD on FTX. I think there's not too much. Yeah, guys, no. Very slow recovery here. No, guys. Shiba Inu. No meme. ICP, please. Khalid Albana. ICP. This is Icon, if I'm not. ICP. Oh, no. ICX is Icon. ICP is ICP US dollar. I'm not sure what ICP is. Let's take a look at ICP here on CoinGecko. Oh, yeah. Internet computer. Right. They're in the top 10. Aren't they top 10? Yeah, just on ranked number 10. Well, I think this is a very bullish project. I haven't gone through the project myself. Anyway, it's just going sideways at the moment. It did manage to have a massive recovery after the crash here of the 19th of May. Massive recovery straight away. Yeah, if we manage to stay above here, it's going to be looking very, very bullish. It looks like we've found a major floor here at the $130. Major floor here. Been around this area for several days now. So yeah, if we manage to stay above, it'll be looking bullish. If we get below the $1.30, it's going to be looking a little bit bearish in the short term. I think it is a good project. I'm not sure. I've heard many people talk about it. We are creating a kind of descending triangle here, guys. So the price action for ICP is bearish, okay? Because we are consistently hitting the support area. You know, we got lower highs here. There is selling pressure, guys. There is selling pressure before the 27th of May. We might see, unless we see a pop to the upside, or we'll be breaking the $1.30. We are consistently hitting this support, consistently hitting. What's going to happen? Well, eventually, this is a bearish pattern. We might be just dropping to the downside because the selling pressure, you know, we've got the selling, you know, lower highs all the time. There is selling pressure, as you can see. It is pushing the price down, down, down. What is most likely if this happens all the time and this can't hold, this $130 can't hold, well, what's going to happen? Well, we're going to come down, guys. This is what I got for ICP. This is what the chart is telling me. We might break out from this resistance and then, yeah, well, measured move, supposedly the back here, you know, from the breakout, we'll be coming back and retesting this high here. Whoops. This high, which is at the $200. If this is the bullish scenario. Vasco de la nada, or keep going down and retest 30k. I guess you're talking about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's looking a little bit bearish, guys, in the short term. Let's go to the 1 hourly chart for BTC. Looking a little bit bearish here in the short term. We have broken out from this support area of this ascending wedge. Let's go to the 15-minute. What we need to see now is a breakout of this low. Then, guys, you could potentially put some short trades. Next support level, in my opinion, is $35,000. So yeah, this is a scenario that could happen for Bitcoin in the next coming hours or days. If we do not get above and, you know, come back in the ascending wedge, then it's going to be looking very, very bullish. We'll be doing some analysis on this in the next coming days. Guys, if you are interested in trading, make sure to take advantage on the PrimeXbt bonus that I got in the description. If you use my link in the description, okay, and promotion code BitcoinSenses50, you'll be getting 50% in addition on what you deposit. You deposit $10,000, you're getting $5,000 on top of that for your margin, a $15,000 total, okay? You cannot withdraw this bonus, obviously. You are using it, okay, to get more buying power for your margin. You can withdraw all of the profits that you make. All you need to do is sign up here with the link in the description, and you go here to margin, you go to account and put BitcoinSenses50, and you will see it's going to be activated down over here. Then you deposit $5,000, you'll be getting $2,500 on top of that to trade with, guys, to get more buying power. So make sure to take advantage of this. And if you know, be careful, only if you're an experienced trader. If you don't know how to trade on PrimeXbt, I got a tutorial in the comment section, okay? In the description where it says tutorial, in the tutorial section, and it says PrimeXbt tutorial. So you make sure to check it out if you want to learn how to trade on PrimeXbt. What else have we got here? Hola Hulu, crypto value in dollar is going up, but how much is because the feds are printing cash like mad? Yeah, well, exactly. Let's take a look at one of my favorite charts here, which is the DXY. This is one of my favorite charts. I'm going to be looking at this chart for months now, guys, for months. Let's take a look here at the 4 hourly chart. Well, this is actually doing let's take a look at the daily chart. I think the DXY, the dollar index, is going to crumble, guys, in the next coming months, sorry. We'll be going down here. The dollar index, the dollar value, because of the huge amount of money printing, we also broken out from this diamond reversal pattern, and the target is all the way down here. We are retesting major support. Whoops, sorry, guys. We are retesting major support for the dollar index. And you know the deal. I've got a video, you know, if you go to Bitcoin Sensors in the video, I got a super cycle video called, it's called Bitcoin Super Cycle, I think. and this was posted a couple of weeks back. I'm talking about the dollar index, okay, that if we break this support level, we'll be having a Bitcoin super cycle, potentially going to 200,000, 400,000, nobody knows, but we are hitting major support here for the dollar index, as you can see. And you know, once we broke these levels in 2014, we managed to stay above it, and here we had a retest of the support area. We've broken out of this diamond reversal pattern. We've retested it again. This is the 90 level, and now we've got rejection here, and we are retesting it again. The more times we retest the support level, more likely we're going to break it. And then the Fed is helping this chart, the fundamentals is helping this pattern by printing trillions of dollars, trillions and trillions of dollars. What's going to happen? Well, we're going to eventually, sooner rather than later, we'll be ending up breaking this support level, okay? And this is what happens on diamond reversal patterns. We usually have a drop, okay, once we turn around. We got this huge leg up, and then eventually, you know, the leg down is also as fast as the leg up. This is what usually happens. We're having a little bit of problems now because, yes, we are printing a huge amount of trillions of dollars, but all of this money is not in circulation just yet. The economy isn't open. We are still getting vaccinated, okay, with the virus, supposed virus, and people are still scared. They do not want to spend their money. They do not want to invest. They want to hold on to the dollars. So that's why the dollars is still a little bit strong, okay? It is struggling to lose value because all of these trillions aren't in circulation just yet. Wait until everybody gets vaccinated, the virus is gone, and the economy opens again. Then all of these trillions can flood everywhere, and then we'll see paper money everywhere. What's going to happen? Well, yeah, dollar value is going to come down here, guys. And also, if you check out my super cycle video, I'm talking about, you know, when, look at here, just a quick example. When the dollar index goes down, Bitcoin goes up. When the Bitcoin goes up, the dollar index goes down. Okay, so this was the start of the bull run of 2017 when the dollar index, you know, reached its high here and fell, and it peaked. Bitcoin peaked just here, just at the very bottom of the dollar index value, okay? Right over here. This was late 2017. Look at the chart. The 8th of January. And then Bitcoin entered a bear market when the dollar was gaining value. Guess what this candle over here is? This is COVID. When did the bull run start? When did we start going just up for Bitcoin since the crash of COVID? You know, we didn't go below the crash of COVID, which was just under $4,000. This was the start of the bull run just after COVID. Now we've had the first phase. We are at the middle of the bull run. And now everybody's saying we are entering a bear market. Well, if we enter a bear market, it is very, very likely that the dollar index should gain value in the next coming months. But no, we are hitting major support. We're just about to break it. As you can see here, we're just about to break this major support here. Once we break it, then it's this, you know, the second half of the bull run, which is the crazy part. Nobody knows what's the peak. 100,000, 200,000. Do not believe we're in a bear market, guys. No. 280 watching. Yes. Know how. 200 and 300 people watching. Make sure to smash up the like button. 150 likes now. Smash up the like button, guys. Come on. Just 2 seconds, go and smash it right now, guys. You'll be helping the channel immensely. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin, crypto, you know, DXY, whatever, all free for you guys. So you need to support me here, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button. You need to support me, guys, you know, and make sure to subscribe. Yes, I can see that smash, you know, that like button going up like crazy. Thank you, guys. Thank you. EOS, I got someone, Sean. Let's take a look at EOS. Okay, let's take a look at EOS and then Cake here for Ruby M. Quick look at EOS. EOS US dollar. Right, EOS US dollar on Bitfinex, I guess. No, not too much data here. Oh, yes, sorry, I'm on the weekly chart. Right, EOS had a massive drop, an insane drop. Because EOS might be looking quite bullish, actually. the drop from EOS from the 19th of May. Oh, sorry, this is, okay, the 19th of May was here. But from the top all the way to the bottom is 76%. Ouchie, that was a super strong drop here for EOS. But it looks like there is a kind of an ascending megaphone pattern here. Or guys, who knows, we might be doing the accumulation cylinder of Livermore, and EOS will be going to $30-40 in the next coming months before the end of the year or beginning of 2022. We did wick below it, guys, but you cannot count this FUD, okay? Technical analysis, you know, once you come with fundamentals and huge FUD, this coordinated attack, you know, China by banning crypto, and then we got Elon Musk with his tweets, and then, you know, the insider news that we're going to drop Bitcoin to 25k. A lot of FUD happening these last couple of years. That's why we've had this severe drop. But I want to think that we are, you know, we are above now the support area from this ascending megaphone pattern, ascending cylinder with a widening mouth. And let's just go to the daily chart here on the logarithmic. Yeah, EOS hasn't broken its all-time highs just yet. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly again. And yeah, guys, who knows, because let me just get this again out here. Who knows, we might be forming, you know, also an ascending accumulation cylinder here. We're just at number 7 when we have the massive sell-off and scare people out. And this is the moment before we absolutely skyrocket. This is the moment when everybody's scared. Everybody was extremely bullish 2 weeks ago, and now everybody's extremely bearish. So now is the moment to accumulate heavy, in my opinion. This is not financial advice, this is my opinion. We could be at number 7 here on this accumulation cylinder from Jesse Livermore. Okay, this was early 1900s. This guy was a very famous trader who gained millions and millions in the stock market. Very, very intelligent man. He actually committed suicide in the end. But yeah, this is this played out also for Ethereum, guys. You need to check this out because I did mention this yesterday. Sorry if I'm repeating myself. I want to show the new subscribers here. Whoops. I want to show the new subscribers because this was crazy, guys. This was crazy. Look at the price of Ethereum here. We got an accumulation cylinder, okay, with a widening mouth right over here, haven't we? And look at this. Look how Ethereum just went absolutely parabolic. Don't tell me there isn't any similarities on this here, guys. This is exactly what happened for Ethereum in between January and, you know, mid-May. The 5 months. This is a 5-month chart, and we can see the Livermore's speculative accumulation cylinder right over here. This happened exactly for Ethereum, you know, reaching the $4,300 target approximately. If you take the measured moves from this, you know, it is exactly the same. Well, I'm expecting this for the total crypto market cap that we are also in at number 7. Okay, so this was just a huge sell-off. Obviously, Ethereum is, you know, ahead of the herd. So Ethereum's ahead of the herd, like Bitcoin. You know, just need to wait for other cryptos such as Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. They will break all-time high. It's just going to take a little bit more time. And the total crypto market cap is also doing this accumulation cylinder. Just also like Bitcoin Cash, you got to forgive me if you are a Bitcoin Cash hater. But what I see here for Bitcoin Cash, let me just go here. I see this also for Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash hasn't broken its all-time highs, which is at about $4,200. And guess what? Guess what's happening for Bitcoin Cash? Whoops. this is what's happening for Bitcoin Cash. If we are in the middle of the bull run, guys, we are potentially here after the massive sell-off. Everybody's scared. Best moment to buy. When everybody is scared, everybody freaked out. It is the beginning of the bear market. Now is when you need to buy in. And in 6 months, say, I told you it wasn't the beginning of the bear market, when everybody was freaking out. We could potentially, I might be totally wrong here, but I do think, by looking at the timing and, on-chain data, I think we're at number 7 here for Bitcoin Cash. And Bitcoin Cash, even though if you're a hater, it's not the real Bitcoin, yeah, but it's an OG. Guess PayPal is accepting cryptos. Guess what crypto is PayPal accepting? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and guess what? Bitcoin Cash. So it is one of the OGs, and it's there. It is faster than Bitcoin. It is cheaper than Bitcoin. So yes, I know it's not the real Bitcoin, but Bitcoin Cash will serve more as a paying system than Bitcoin being the gold, okay? Just need to be realistic here. Bitcoin Cash not the real Bitcoin, yeah, but it's here. It's one of the OGs, and the payment systems such as PayPal and other big ones, they take, usually they take a couple of the top 20, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin is also one of them. Litecoin is still going to be here. Litecoin will go past $400 and $500 easily in the next coming weeks. This is my opinion, obviously. Sorry guys, I'm just showing you this because I think this is something very, very powerful that people are not understanding just yet. That the massive hype hasn't come. Okay, this is the first sell-off before the actual run, in my opinion. Guys, it could be the start of the bear market. Don't get me wrong. I am a moon boy though. Will BTC go down to 30,000, Mike? Yeah, maybe. We might have the last week. Okay, this is looking very bearish, guys. This is confirming that we are, potentially going to come lower. It is looking quite bearish. Breakout here from this ascending wedge. What is Ethereum looking like? Guys, make sure to smash up the like button, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. 357 viewers now. Insane, absolutely amazing. Smash up the like button. If you're new, subscribe, guys. Daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I'll be doing a lot of live streams, trying to go through the comment section also to check out your favorite crypto. I will be activating super chat because it is super complicated now. A lot of people going crazy in the comment section at the moment. Very, very difficult to keep up, guys. Sorry, I wish I could read every single one of you, but it's just impossible. I want to show you some of my analysis also, and yeah, it's impossible. I'll be activating super chat soon, guys, so you'll be helping out the channel also that way. Ethereum looking to break out this support level, just about. Bitcoin has, so very, very likely that Ethereum will follow. Yeah, guys, this was mentioned in today's video. Be very careful because we will be getting a rejection at the 2,900. We got these huge bearish divergence. Okay, RSI going down, price going up. Very likely we're looking for a correction here. This was mentioned in today's video this morning, guys. It is all. I also posted it on Twitter on the Bitcoin Census account. Make sure to go on to the Twitter account and follow Bitcoin Census, because this was also mentioned for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is forming this bullish pattern on the 1 hourly chart, but watch out for these bearish divergence. Okay, so we did mention in today's video that it was very, very likely to have this correction that we're having today. Okay, guys, one last thing, if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the bonus. This is another way to support the channel, and you'll be getting one of the best bonuses available for margin trading. Okay, if you use Bitcoin Census 50 and my link in the description for PrimeXbt, 50% in addition of what you deposit. You deposit $5,000, you'll be getting $2,500 on top of that to trade with. You cannot withdraw the bonus, but you use it for buying power. You got more buying power, okay, with the bonus to add to your margin. Yeah, Bitcoin is dropping, guys. Very likely next level would be here. Next support level. Well, not just yet, because we are just about hitting the 38,500. I wouldn't be too bearish just yet. We're still hitting this major support level. All right, guys, this is going to be it. I'll be doing another live stream tomorrow, I think, potentially. Anyway, thank you very much for your support and smashing up the like button. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. I'll be doing live streams. I'll be trying to connecting more with the community. And yeah, guys, I've been checking out Solana. Also, guys, I can see in the comment section here, Solana, the chat is going absolutely crazy. I can't keep up with you guys. Sorry, I want to give you my view of the market, also my technical analysis. But it's just going absolutely crazy. Sorry, guys, I've been checking out a few cryptos from you. Thank you very much for coming in. And yeah, make sure to smash up the like button. I'll be activating super chat so I can connect with you. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in